Good morning. It is travel day and Obi's right down there waiting. We are heading out to the airport. Obi and I are on a one-way trip to... No, we're not on a one-way trip. It's not even straight through. We have to stop. So we're in a stop in Nashville, then Detroit kind of day. So let's head to Detroit. Well, Obi's having a good time eating on a biscuit, aren't you? It's like a little chew stick. Well, he's enjoying it while we're sitting here at our gate waiting. We have almost an hour before we start boarding. So Lou has told me that he does not want me taking morning flights like this anymore. It is 5:44 in the morning and we are at the airport. We had to leave our house at 4, which meant I got up at 3. Well, I think I got up about 2:30. Couldn't go back to sleep, so I've been going since 2:30. Here's Obi looking all cute. I had to go over and grab this tag for his stroller to make sure we have it when we're in Nashville. And then once we're in Nashville, we'll load another plane and head to Detroit. Woo woo, Detroit, woo woo. He's excited, can you tell? All right, so now we're in Nashville, and we're going to be here for probably about another hour and 20 minutes maybe. So we're just going to sit by the window and relax, and Obi's eating on a treat. Having a good time. Let me turn the TV down. All right, guys. Well, I made it to Michigan, one piece. Obi and I did really well on the flight. He was such a good boy. Never barked, nothing fazed him on the plane. It was nice. Some other person had a dog and the dog was doing a lot of whining and Obi's kind of like, what was that? But other than that, we made it one piece. My niece and her boyfriend's little boy's coming over, and so you guys will see them in a minute, but you'll see them a little bit later too. They'll be... Well, Obi found his favorite person. He loves Alyssa. This is my niece Alyssa. She is over here visiting with me. We'll see more of my family tomorrow. We are doing a Cinco de Mayo celebration at my sister Tracy's house. So that's where we'll go tomorrow. As of right now, Granny's taking a nap. Obi and I are relaxing, and my mom is at work. So we're just sitting in my mom's chair, having a good old day. Yep, I travel with my own cup. I bring my own cup and my own bottle.
It could be a sign of a more serious illness.
Hi, Obi.
You or a loved one suffers from varicose veins.
There's Granny over there taking a nap. While we're waiting for Judge Judy to come on. Hi guys, day 4 of being in Michigan, and I haven't filmed a single thing because I haven't left the house. It's been nice just being here and not doing much, getting up and down to help Granny or take care of Obi, but I'm right back in my chair, relaxing. It's actually quite nice. I'm just relaxing. Trying to get my body to just relax and not worry about things. So, we're going to be going to my sister's house because it's Cinco de Mayo. And we're going to have chimichangas and some fruit changas. Fruit changas are, we put cherries and cream cheese inside a tortilla, rolled it up like a burrito, and now we'll deep fry them. Yeah. Must I say more? There's some that have apple in them, but the other ones have cherries and cream cheese. And we're gonna have regular chimichangas. We made the meat up already, shredded it all up. What we gotta do is fill the tortillas up, wrap it up like a burrito, and deep fry them. So it's gonna be a deep fry type of night. I'll take you with me, but my sister gets a little about things, so I can talk about her. She doesn't watch my videos. Truthfully, nobody in my family watches my videos. If you're in my family, do you watch my videos? Yeah, nobody watches my videos. So, I won't be taking you with me. But I'll be taking you Saturday. Got somewhere special going, and you guys are going with me. Fun time. Well, good morning. It's Saturday morning, day after Cinco de Mayo. And Obi and I are just outside, just relaxing. Now, I didn't take you guys with me to my sister's house. I didn't know who was all going to be there, so I didn't take it. And my niece was a little bummed that I didn't come with my camera. And I found out at the very end that her little friends were over, and they watched me on YouTube, and they were so excited. They wanted their picture taken with me. I'm like, yeah, sure. So we took pictures. It was fun. But I did take a little video on my phone of them out on the trampoline. There was, I would say there had to have been 8 kids total in the trampoline, and one would lay down in the middle, and then they would all bounce, and that person would bounce up in the air. And so they were having fun, and I thought, all that weight on there, I'm gonna videotape this. That way, if it breaks through, we got America's Funniest Home Video we could put in. But thank goodness nothing did happen. Shucks. And so today I am gonna hang out with my niece for a little bit and take you guys with us when we go someplace special. I'm not gonna tell you yet where we're going. You just have to wait and see. So this is all just one video of what I'm doing. I will do separate videos too. There's some things going on next Friday downtown Port Huron that I want to go to. It's an art hop, I think it's called. So we're gonna go do that and check it out and see what kind of fun we can have. That's if my mom will let me use her car.
2, 1. She's getting in the middle. Wait, hold on. Okay, she's back in the middle. 3, 2, 1. Shadow halted her on her feet. Jeez, that catapulted me so high.
Right back!
Children.
Just don't break my neck, okay? You see it? Ready?
3, 2, 1.
Oh my god.
You look so high. Not running into each other.
Careful, you guys. Be careful. That's a lot of weight on there.
And then you always
Let's try it again. That was a good time.
Hi guys. Well, today I'm bringing you somewhere different. You guys were with me for my tattoo. Now you guys are going to be here to get a piercing. So stay tuned to see what I get pierced.
I'm gonna go on the inside, so don't breathe in for a sec. The other one looked like it was pretty low.
Too low, you think?
Down here, yeah, I would put it more. About there.
What do you think?
Yeah, I mean, it's really great there.
It's
Oh,
good.
close to where I would have it.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna let you check it out too. You can use your glasses if you need to.
Okay.
Look good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I don't even want to watch and see what she's getting ready, so my eyes will be closed from this point on.
Okay. Just so so you know, after the needle comes out and the jewelry goes in, it will bleed a little bit. So after we do the piercing, I'm going to hand you a piece of paper towel just in case any blood starts dripping.
Okay.
Only takes a sec to stop.
I wasn't too bad.
Yeah. Next, this little tube's going to go in your nose so you don't get poked. One, two, and three. Alright, here's your paper towel just in case. Done.
I don't see no blood.
Yeah, it might take a second.
What do you guys
It
think?
usually bleeds a little bit.
I know I grip my teeth so hard they hurt.
Teary eye?
Yeah.
Yeah. I got that too.
Yeah, it's actually connected to your tear ducts right there, so almost everybody does.
Oh yeah, now see, you're gonna want to wipe a little bit on the side.
Yeah.
'Cause,
It'll bleed for a sec.
All right, Alyssa sat there with me, debating, and now she's going to get her other side pierced. When you have 2 on this side and you'll have 1 on that side.
yeah.
Oh, it's easy. You've had 2 done already.
Yeah. It's usually the after effect. But I think it's just because, is it just because most people would be nervous because of the needle going in is why you'd bleed more? Because I know there are some people who bleed and don't bleed.
It depends on, I mean, how thin your blood is, and so we use 14 gauge needles and
Okay.
16 gauge jewelry. So the needle is a little bit wider than the jewelry. That way we don't
Gotcha.
lose contact, because if they're exact same size and we lose contact, then we got to go all over with the needle.
Makes sense.
It's just
All right, so we got a little wild here today and did a few things, didn't we, Alyssa?
Mm-hmm.
But we're not going to make this a habit. Every time I come to town, we're not going to do this. That was the joke, was like, okay, we're going to do this every time I come now. Nope. All right, guys. Oh, who knew? Well, good morning, guys. It is now Monday. I've been here almost a week. Haven't done a whole lot. Been babysitting Granny, and I haven't really gotten out of the house to do anything. This Friday, I'm hoping to get out and do some things to bring to you guys. So hopefully Friday, I get to go do this art hop downtown Port Huron. So we'll give it a check out and see what's going on in the art world here in Michigan. So I'm going to close this video out. As you know, travel day, I didn't really do a whole lot. It was kind of hard trying to film and have Obi, and I get stressed out when I travel. I want to make sure I get where I gotta go, and that's what's more important to me, is getting to where I need to go. So because of that, it just made it hard for me to film. So this video is just, you know, a video of what's been going on here. Went to church yesterday, had a luncheon afterwards. The pastor at the church, they're leaving the church, so they had a big going away party for them, and I went to that. This coming Sunday is Mother's Day, and I'm not sure what we're doing yet for Mother's Day, but we'll do something. And my son is supposed to be coming, so 4 generations will be together in one house. First time in forever. Seriously. First time in forever. There he is. So, oh, I can't do that one. I have to go this way. So Obi and I are just out here checking out the grounds and making sure everything's taken care of out here. He's been a good boy. At home he uses pee pads, but here he's been letting me know when he needs to go. So, oh, speaking of the devil, he's there now. But we're gonna go to a new restaurant today called Senior Tequila. So I'll take you guys along and I'll check the food out. Might be really good. So that will come on another video. So I'm gonna close this one out so I can get it edited and out to you, because it's been over a week since I put a video out. So I gotta get working. So, all right guys, as always, thank you for being here, and I love you all. Mwah. Bye.